Hey Cecil, this is Lance Little with Little SEO and Marketing. We chatted on the phone a couple days ago. Here's the video that I promised you, just to give you an idea of what I do, and just wanted to educate you guys on what some of the things that you guys could do for your business and for your online presence. So I just wanted to talk about three different tips that could help you guys, whether you wanted to do this on your own, or get in contact with me and we can sit down and walk you through it, and um, set something up for you, get your goals, what you want to accomplish. So actually, when I spoke to you, I was looking for HVAC companies in St. George. So that was the keywords I used in the Google search, and I mean, you guys didn't show up in the map pack, and you were on like page two of of Google. But then I I realized you guys were based in Hurricane, and you guys are dominating in Hurricane. You guys are number one here in the map pack, and number one here on the organic listings, which is awesome. Just to give you an idea, so come back to just HVAC St. George, and you're not in the map pack, and you're not on page one. You're at like a third of the way down on page two, which I mean is fine. I mean, you guys are dominating Hurricane, like I said, the city which you guys are based in, um, and yeah, you're killing it. If you wanted to, I mean, Hurricane has like 21,000 population. St. George has like 191,000 now. So if you wanted to branch out or really, be number one in St. George, so here's the three tips that can kind of get you there. So the first two are backlinks and content. So your content, if you pull up your website, Google is looking for, to be an authority in Google's eyes, they look for 1,500 words of content. I like your website, by the way. I like how you have kind of this whole introduction video and testimonial video all in one. I thought that was really cool. But you look at your content, you throw that in a word count here. You guys are sitting at 170 words. And again, that to have that authority label in Google's eyes, you're looking for that 1,500 word count. It just gives you more opportunities to explain who you are, where you came from, and throw in all those different keywords like, HVAC Hurricane, or St. George HVAC, HVAC St. George Heating and Air, Hurricane Heating and Air, all those different keywords that people are searching for, no matter what city they're in. If you look at the top competitor that is number one on the St. George HVAC Google search page, you'll see. So here's their website and the content they have. You throw this in the word count, and these guys have just shy of 1,000 words. So according to Google, these guys aren't even authority status, but apparently they have, some of the most content, compared to some of the other websites. Now, to get into this organic listing, they look at not only the content, that 1,500 words, but they also look at your backlinks. Backlinks are just, other websites that are linking back to you guys, to your business. So if we jump over in this tool is called Ahrefs. You have to pay for this one, but I mean, you guys can do this for free on your own. Look up backlinks, free source, organic keywords, free, and you guys can do this on your own. But you guys have 29 referring domains that are referencing your business 80 different times. And you jump into Alpine Temp, which has that #1 spot in the St. George HVAC keyword search. They have 179 domains referencing their business 448 times. So if you wanted to compete for that #1 spot or page 1 of the St. George HVAC searches, you would have to copy these guys. If you get these same domains, you're going to be right there with them. If you get more, you're going to be able to pass them in the rankings. And not all domains are created, or not all domains and backlinks are created equal. For example, a pizza place referencing Alpine Temp or Dutton Air Care doesn't hold as much power as another HVAC company or another contractor referencing your business. So I would just come in here, and if it loads, you look up. You can see the different domains that they have. Utah Gateway, My Local Utah, American Towns, Solid Wheel, Bell Bros HVAC. That would be a good one to get on because that one has that quality factor because it's another HVAC site. For light ceiling fan, HVAC parts, like these ones are going to be quality. Getting into these blog spots as well or forums that talk about HVAC. So the more backlinks you'll have, the more authority as well you're gonna have. And then so that's the content and backlinks will help you get to this #1 spot on the organic listings in St. George. Again, you already own that spot, or have that spot in the Hurricane listings. And then this map pack, this is based off of your citations mainly. Citations is just your name, address, and phone number of the business in different directories. So if you want to take the #1 spot here in St. George, or be in the top 3 spots, it's just listing your website, your business on Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Yahoo, My Local Utah, just whatever online directory you guys can find. So anyways, that's that. Thank you for your time. Again, there's 2 options. Like, you guys can totally take all this information and these tools and do it yourself and begin ranking yourselves, or you can give me a call at 435-359-4289 and we can sit down and talk about your business goals and where you want to be and how to rank, not only in Hurricane but St. George as well, to work with that population better as well. Anyways, thank you for your time and hope to talk to you soon.